Alright, it's Friday. What typically would be our load-in day is a show day here. So we loaded in yesterday. So we're hanging out at the hotel, watching CBBS, watching some cartoons. Now we're headed to the arena. It's about noon here, so no point in being there at the crack of dawn with kids when you're going to be there late. So we're gathering our stuff. Looks like another sunny day here. We're going to head across to the arena. The Black Sabbath Bridge, home to Black Sabbath. What do you do when your show's not until Friday night? You play Yahtzee.
Give me 2 6s, come on.
There's 4 of a kind. I'll take it.
And Legos and whatnot.
24, 27.
Can I just take that?
Team bonding.
There we go. Welcome to my YouTube video. And this monster truck is got new monster shots. And this is a monster truck. And I can do it. First is wheelies. Yeah, here we go. That's not good.
That's not a wheelie. They rolled over, didn't they?
Bigfoot got 24 points. Next is donuts. That was like not even the rest of my video. And now it's long jumps. How many sessions is there? Maybe can you send me some YouTube so that people can see it? And freestyle. Done with my video. Let's see it. Hi, welcome to my video. I got my Lego. So you can even come off the bike like that. And she can sit on a bike. I have no idea how she sits on it. Okay. And then and then she's got like a bunny thing and then they got a little like bunny. You poked me. And then put her back in there. And then stick something. Oh gosh. I'll be right back. I'm back. Here we are. Now she's got a trailer. Like here. She's got a trailer. That's a raid. I'm back. Okay. Here's my video. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3. Can jump and jump and land on their wheel body. Yeah. Now it's done. Let's see it. And I'm back. Here we are, and we are not producing a monster truck video. And what happened? Oh, what? What? And then some other. And what is that?
This is called treats, okay? All right, Nicholas, let's see what you got underneath your napkin. Oh, Nicholas got 1 cookie. Hudson, what'd you get? Hudson, you got 2 cookies? What? What? All right, Sissy, what did you get? Sissy got 1 cookie. All right.
What?
Let's see what
What is
Kristen.
this?
I got a cookie too. Kristen got 1 cookie. Let me see what I got. I got no cookies.
Whoa, that's so sad.
Oh,
That is so...
oh, thank you, Sissy. That's so sweet.
That is... But now Sissy doesn't
No,
have a
Sissy has
cookie.
no cookies.
I'm fine.
Oh, that's sweet. Good job, buddy.
Show Show 1 of 5. Is that Neve? Hi! I wondered if you were going to be here.
Yes, for this one in Glasgow.
Perfect. Here's the pit party, all set up, ready to go. Show 1 of 5. Yeehaw! Where's Hudson? Oh, at the toys. Toys. I don't see his head. Oh, there he is. All right, look at this pretty arena. All set and ready to go. You got the toys. We have toys. We have Julia.
Wow, that's creepy small.
Isn't it creepy small? We got the Power Smashers pre-show and the trophy. There she is. Isn't she pretty? She's pretty. There's Brogan. You can get your own driver's license made. They're super cute. See, look at them. Cute little things. Got the VIP tour that I think we only do on this tour that goes backstage. Gets to see all the stuff. Everybody that comes through Crash Zone gets one of these guys, and the drivers all sign them. And then down here we got the Tiger Shark and the cars. We got the official merchandise, including the brand new Skelly and Tiger Shark shirts that match the crew, the driver. There we go. Look at all that. All the goods. We always have our own touring shirt, trucks, all the things. People are starting to come in the doors. Yep. This is what we do every weekend.
Very nicely.
Let me see yours, sis. Which one did you do?
If you want.
You did Megarex. Hudson, come here. Come here. Come here. Which one do you have? Which one is it?
Gangster.
Gangster. All right. You ready for 1 of 5?
Basically the same. That's really. How's my nose hair? Is that
I'm
good?
not in your
Thanks.
nose hair.
My name is Kristen, and this is me before a 5-show weekend.
I'm Rebecca, and this is me before a 5-show weekend.
Hi, I'm Nick. This is also me before a 5-show weekend.
I'm Darren. This is me before a 5-show weekend.
I'm Dylan. This is me before a 5-show weekend.
This is Kristen. This is me before a 5-show weekend.
I'm Anthony, and this is me before a 5-show weekend.
What's up? Rick. This is me before 5 shows.
Hi, I'm Mark. This is me before a 5-show weekend.
Hi, I'm Rebecca. This is me before a 5-show weekend.
Hi, I'm Nick. This is also me before a 5-show weekend.
Driver's meeting.
The show obviously starts at 4:30. Show starts at 7. 9. We can be in the building until midnight. So hopefully there's no need to do so, but if anybody has some bad luck, we can stay. It's just a big floor. Left the leaving the arms
Doors open for the pit party. People are coming in. That's our time to head back to the room and start on to see schoolwork. Here we go. Ready to go do school? No fits today? All right, let's go. Look at my little baby camera. Isn't he cute?
Ah, no,
love
it
it.
follows a track.
It does.
To attract you.
All the people are coming in. We're going out. Come on. I'm with you, buddy. Come on, this way. All right, go under there or just go around. Ugh. All right, let's go. Okay, we'll stop in Cater and get some drink. Pit party out there means school time and hanging out in the room for us. Hudsy's playing with his trucks, eating some nuggets. Sissy's over here doing some schoolwork. Gonna do some social studies, some language arts, some writing, some reading. I'm gonna go check on some laundry of stuff, and I think I spend more time and busier in the background than I was as a driver. It's nuts. Okay, here we go. End of this pit party. People are starting to get out and get to their seats. All this stuff will get taken down shortly. And the queues will get taken down and the trucks are already set for intros, and then we'll go from there. So these last an hour and a half, and they're always right before the show. So guys will be coming off here shortly. As I said, here they come. Track crew's amazing. They come in and they take all this stuff down for every show.
I have Disney songs. Please. Every people is not coming in my cart scene. Every people's not going in here. I leaving the door open.
Oh, okay.
And he's not letting me see.
What are you playing? You building with Legos?
This is the slot.
And here they come.
How you doing on?
Look
You guys
at
go?
a concert.
Whoa, dude. Is that
And
you
every
playing?
people is not coming in mine.
They're not coming to you?
Yeah.
Or did you fart in the room or something?
No.
Oh. Maybe you did.
Well, he says he'll sing Disney songs. I sing the same Disney songs.
You sing the same
Well,
Disney
he
songs.
won't. Well, he won't even listen to what I'm doing.
Sing your Disney song. Where are we headed?
To the stand.
To the stands to watch the show?
Yeah.
Okay, how are we gonna get up there?
What?
Through the bathrooms? Through this door. It says lift. Find a seat. Okay, let's just go right over here to block 2. See if we can find a spot. I don't care where you want to go.
We love a bit of participation, Alex. Now, we've done wheelies, we've done donuts, we've done long jump. Now the final part.
Our view for the show right here. Anthony won the cup. Time to plug the trucks in and the rest of them go wave. Time to plug the trucks in. This show is late. It's the 1 of 5. They added this because the other 4 sold out. So tomorrow ought to be pretty full. To the hotel. Show 1 is over. Walking back through the hotel. Walking through the canals at night. Huh? Yep, show 2 and 3 are tomorrow, huh? It's pretty in here at night. Thankfully, this is a walkable arena for the 5 shows, so as soon as we're done, we can head out, and then tomorrow when the kids get up, we can hang around in the room for a while and then make our way over here. It's pretty in town at night. Back to the hotel we go.